Assalamu alaikum all students. I am Razia from BHSS Kupwara. My trade is ITes. Today our topic is star topology, mesh topology and tree topology. In previous lecture we have started topologies, but we have only covered two topologies, that is bus topology and ring topology, which are broadcast topologies. Now today we'll go through point-to-point topologies, that is star topology and mesh topology. These are that means we are going to discuss point-to-point topologies. Today's topic is point-to-point topologies. In point-to-point topology, we have a first topology, that is star topology. In star topology, all the devices are connected to a central controller called as hub. That means there is a central controller which is called as hub. All the devices are connected to this hub, and communication between any two devices takes place through the hub that is responsible for relaying message. That means when one node has to send a data, the node can send the data to the hub, and hub can send the data to the other node. Okay. Star network can be easily installed and configured because it's very easy to use. Also, fault detection and isolation is easy, and it requires more cabling because there's a hub, and this hub, it connects to all the nodes individually. So it needs more cabling as compared to bus and ring topology. And also hub failure will lead to a network failure whenever there is a failure of hub, because hub is the main thing in this topology. When hub doesn't work, that means the whole network gets failed. It doesn't work. Okay, star topology is when there is a hub in between all the nodes, and it's at the center, and all the other nodes are connected to it. It's just like a star, so it's named as star topology. When one node has to send data, it sends the data to the hub, and hub sends the data to other node. Okay, and there is one thing, that is when hub doesn't work, the whole network gets failed. Second one is mesh topology. It is also point-to-point topology. In mesh topology, every node is connected with every other node in the network. In mesh topology, every node is connected with every other node in the network, because each node is connected with every other node. Because of dedicated point-to-point connection between every possible pair of nodes, the topology provides secure data transfer without any traffic problem. So it requires a large number of connected it requires a large number of connections which establish the topology. That means there is much more cabling used. Okay, because every two nodes are connected with each other. So in mesh topology, every two nodes are connected with each other. When one node has to send data, the node can send the data to its receiver directly, because each and every node are connected with each other. Okay, so mesh topology, we can say it is the best type of topology, but the thing is that more cabling is used here, and it's much more complex than other topologies. Okay, then we have another point-to-point topology, that is tree topology. Tree topology is a hybrid topology using combination of star and bus topology. That means it's a combination of star and bus topology. Star topology is point-to-point topology, and bus topology is broadcast topology. And backbone cable in a bus topology acts like a stem of the tree. Okay, backbone cable in the bus topology, it acts as a stem of the tree, and star network are connected to the main backbone cable like the branches of the tree. Okay, that means it's just like the backbone cable is in the vertical form, and the star topology and the star network, it is connected just like as a branch of the stem, branch of the tree. Okay, and there are some other nodes which are connected to the backbone cable just like a bus topology. Okay, and if the branch cable is damaged, if one of the branch is damaged, the entire network communication is disrupted. Okay, when the backbone cable is damaged, the whole network gets disrupted, and when one of the branch is damaged, the network doesn't get affected, because the only branch which is damaged, that branch only doesn't work, other branches work as they are. Okay, this is all about point to point topologies. First of all, there is star topology. Second one is there is mesh topology. Third one is there is tree topology. We have gone through all the three topologies. Okay, and we have in previous lecture we have gone through broadcast topologies, that is bus topology, and we have ring topology. Okay, this is all about today, and I'll share the photographs as well in the video. You can pause the video and you can check how a ring looks like, how a bus topology look like, how a mesh topology look like. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.